welcome to this moment in your lives and to the place you have found in each other's hearts. Today, Amanda and David, you will promise to share your lives together as husband and wife, inspiring each other to love beyond the ordinary. We rejoice with you in this beautiful courthouse setting as you commit from this day forward you will live as a married couple. Now, with abundant blessings, it is my pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your beautiful bride